Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Feel Good Flow. This is a perfect practice to start your day off so that you feel good. So let's get started on the hands and knees. Come on over to your hands and knees. We'll start off with the hands shoulder width apart, the knees hips width apart. Let's hold this tabletop for 5 breaths just to tune into the breath, the body, and the mind. Feeling the breath. Start to activate a little bit inside the pelvic bowl. Let's go for one more breath. Curl your toes under and inhale up to downward facing dog. We'll stay for 5 breaths. Send the hips back and up. Let the breath come in and out of the body. Fluidly, equally, deeply. Let's go for one more breath. All right, that's good. Let's switch the gaze forward and inhale, step your right foot forward, and then exhale, left knee down. Come up into a lunge, extend the arms, and stay 5 breaths. Find your lunge, whether the knee is down or up, it's up to you. We could interlace the fingers if you want, get a little more stretch. 2 more breaths, nice. 1 more breath, and then exhale. Let's take the hands down, curl the left toe. Inhale, head on back to downward facing dog. Stabilize for 2 breaths here. And 1 more breath. And switch the gaze forward. Inhale, step the left foot forward. Let's sink the right knee down. And then coming into the lunge on the other side, take a moment, extend the arms. 1, 5 breaths. 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale, hands down. Inhale, all the way back, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, let's walk forward. Find your forward fold, Padangusthasana. Hold your big toes. Inhale, prepare, deep breath in. Exhale, fold. All right, we got 5 breaths. Steady. Feel the legs strong. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. All right, that's good. Inhale, send your head forward and the chest forward. Exhale there. Take the hands down. Step the left foot forward and the right leg back. Hold on to your left toes. Inhale, Trikonasana. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Draw the navel in. That's good. Keep breathing. 4. Almost there. 5. Inhale, let's bring it up. We switch the sides. Exhale, Trikonasana, right side, and go down. 1, very good. Deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing the left hand down. Widen your stance just a little bit. Change to extended side angle pose. Extend the left arm. That's good. Deep breaths. 1. We can take the hand on the floor if you want. On the outside, you can keep it right here, resting on the quadriceps. Your choice. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. All right, that's good. Inhale, let's bring it up. Switch the sides. Left leg. Roll into the hip joint. Extend. Deep breaths. 2, 3, strong legs. You want to reach down, you can, but no force. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, take the hands down. Spin your right toes forward. Inhale, come back to plank. Let's find plank. 5 breaths. 1, 2, strong shoulders. 3, you can do it. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, big breath out. Switch your gaze forward, press into the shoulders. Inhale, cross your feet. Exhale, come on down to seated. Extend your legs forward. Hands near the hips, lift the chest. 5 breaths. flex your feet, strong quads. 1, 2, 3, steady breathing. 4, 5, reach forward, hold the big toes. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, prepare, big breath in. Exhale, fold. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight arms, lift the chest up. Exhale there. Reach back, hands back behind you, reverse plank or reverse tabletop, you decide. Inhale, hips up and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, let's set it down. All right, let's bend the right knee, bring it into your chest. Reach forward, Marichyasana A. Navel is in, drop your shoulder forward and down. We could bind the hands, or not. You can use a strap if the bind is not accessible. Breathe in, and then exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, steady, 4, 5, inhale, send the chest forward. Exhale there. Lean back, we switch the sides. Left leg comes back, shoulder forward and down. Reach for the hands. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift the head up. Exhale there. Bend your right knee, come forward. Let's go for a squat. 5 breaths. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, separate the knees. 5, now squeeze the knees onto the shoulders and around the back. Take your hands forward. Squeeze, get a little activation, and then now we try Bakasana. We can just stay there in the prepare, really pitching the shoulders forward, or you can take it all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale, jump back, step back, plank, and chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, and big breath in. Exhale, and downward facing, big breath out. Switch your gaze forward, let's cross the feet. Exhale, sit down. Hold underneath your knees, hugging Navasana, 5 breaths. 1, 2, hug it in. 3, you got it. 4, almost there. 5, hold your ankles. 5 more breaths. 1, 2, 3, steady. 4, 5, separate the legs. Upavishta Konasana, balancing. 1, you can hold onto your feet if that works. If not, the ankles are fine. 3, 4, and 5. Separate the feet, exhale, go down. And then all the way forward and down. Fold forward, 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, deep breaths. Engage the legs. 1 more. And that's good. Inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale here, turn to the right side. Inhale, big breath in, and then exhale, fold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale, switch to the other side. Breathe in, and then exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cross your feet. Find your way back, plank. And then exhale, chaturanga. Stay down. Point your feet, come up onto the elbows. 5 breaths. Easy cobra. 1, 2, 3, steady, lift the kneecaps. 4, prepare. 5, Shalabhasana, 5 breaths. 1, hands back. 2, 3, almost there. 4, steady, almost there. 5, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Come to your knees, dolphin. Elbows down, drop the head. Look at the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, up onto the tippy toes, dolphin. 5 more breaths. 2, 3, soft neck. 4, 5, knees down. Exhale, child's pose. Two more breaths. Last breath. Walk the hands forward, cross your feet. Come on down to seated. Take a moment, extend the arms, tips of the index fingers and thumbs touching. 5 breaths. Long, deep breaths. 3 more. 2 more. Last breath. All right, let's grab the blocks. I'm going to do a lift up. You can also do it straight on the floor if you don't have blocks accessible. 5 breaths, we lift up. Here we go. Hands on the blocks, stabilize, and then inhale, pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Let's take a little rest. Turn around. Roll the spine. Turn the palms up. Relax the legs. Take a moment. Feel the breath, body, mind connection. Check in with that good vibration that comes from even every practice. As long as the elements of breath, body, and mind are present, we're on the path of yoga. Slowly reawaken your hands, your feet, the arms and legs, the head, the neck, the torso. Knees to the chest, give yourself a little squeeze. Roll over onto the side and then come on back up. Take a moment, find a comfortable seated position. Join the hands together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. And if you enjoyed this practice, come find me on omstars.com where you can practice live with me and have access to over 5,000 classes. I'd love to see you there.